everybody.
Good evening.
So I am going to interact with Amayji. My name is Ankit Savla, and this is the 100 retirement coach batch, wherein we are
It's a part of Double Sure.
double shore classroom training session. And now I think we are interacting. I am interacting with him for the second time. Firstly, I met him during the BS CFO to SME, wherein we together attended the workshop with the help of Keyusha. And later on, first important thing is I am going to interact with a person who has done CFP at least 3-4 years before than me. So I think I'll have a different kind of question, and it is not the basic that we are going to discuss. Okay, what made you not to practice this time? Starting with a negative question till now. Yes, you surely had your personal
Yes,
benefits, but what is a journey henceforth? Because now when you are doing a refreshing thing, you have even learned about CFO courses wherein you can are equipped with SMEs. So like to know about this journey, and also I would like to know on a personal basis. Okay, what made you start your CFP journey?
Okay. So to start with first that I'm a mechanical engineer by profession. After completion of my mechanical engineering, I directly joined Reliance Industries, and it has been 14 years of journey with Reliance Industries, and I've been working in a core technical profile, but always had a knack with the personal finance. I manage my personal finance. Unfortunately, my father passed away 14 years back, so it was good that from our home mother and father both managed their finances well, due to which we were well off when he went away. And that inspired me that even after a person suddenly goes, still they had managed their finances in such a way, very well way that we could be manage our जो घर के खर्चे हैं सब कुछ हम properly manage कर
So
पाए.
the loss of an earning member
Yes.
was well
Yes.
taken care of.
So from there the thought came that I should do something with the personal finance space. Later on, when I thought of, as I said yesterday also, that we should always look for diversification in your career, because sometimes it might happen within the journey, you might feel that you might not get up to the summit where you want in your current career, and it is always good to have that you have a second option, or at least which a fallback mechanism which you can have. So that time I searched for a personal finance space, CFP. Before that, I did a CFA level 1, where I couldn't have a success. But however, then I decided to go about in a personal finance space, where somebody guided me about Mr. Keyur Shah, who was the best coach and who is still the best coach and will remain the best coach. So we went ahead. I completed my CFP in 2015, but somehow, as I said, that still my bread and butter mainly is earned from my core technical job which I have. Yes, but and so that is the case that though I learned about it, I couldn't practice it, and tried to be in field, talk to people, not many people, but didn't was serious about pursuing this as a second career. It was just managing my personal finances. It has really helped me in managing my personal finance, and so I can say that a year back I just decided about that now is the time that I look at part 2, which is the career option 2.
Yeah.
And this serious thought kicked in. It is great. I'm grateful that the CFP has helped me to plan over my retirement, early retirement, as NK say, as I say. Retirement is not always that after retirement you will just sit and enjoy your corpus, but retirement means perceiving what you
You
love.
will not basically struggle in managing your basic financial goals.
Right.
So you would have already completed managing your basic financial
Yes.
goals, and now henceforth you look forward for good career opportunities with less stress, and at the same time more about
Perfectly.
wealth creation.
Wealth creation. Right. So I managed my finances in such a way that now I can take a comfortable retirement, as I say, and I look forward to professionally pursuing now the full-time CFP. So that is the plan.
Okay, so I think myself and Amayji had visited on 26th of January a very small village near Shirdi, and that was your first IAP kind of program. Rather, it's after you have been left CFP. So please share your experience about that
Right.
program. Okay,
Right.
what? Yes, you interacted with people, but now what is driving back of your mind? Okay, what next is to be done from your side?
Yes. Okay, so it happened to be that I came to know that as a team, CBOT is visiting near Shady to have a IAP program, and I really took that opportunity because I have been hearing about such programs. I personally am very interested with having financial literacy sessions and also sharing the knowledge with the general people. So it happened to be a good opportunity where I went. And one thing I realized that whenever we plan something about it, we went there. As we know that there are a different group of people that we had to interact. We got to know different insights which we tried to tell.
Right.
So there I found out few things that mm, though I thought about being a trainer kind of profile, but still there are some lack in discussing with the people
Objection
or
handling.
objection handling. So this is one thing, this is one space that I'm looking at, and it happened to be that I went through the retirement coach module that recently I had, and this was the special thing that I had before going ahead with my retirement, or which I'm planning to be. So this was a refresher course that which has given me a new, what do you call as a new built confidence within me now, because 5 years down the line I somewhere had lost my confidence within this space. But yes, now I'm more confident
So there are
about.
now two pathways. One, you will have to take a responsibility of being a co-mentor, mentoring some candidate who is possessing by. So when you are going to help him throughout his journey, somewhere like it would be again complete refresher of all the topics that you
Yes.
have learned.
Yes.
So somewhere all those knowledge that was somewhere not been given a highlights would come back and would be a refresher.
Right.
At the same time, now to have more objection handling managing things, I think when you plan such kind of joint events, so what happens when you act as a team, you do the programs. If you are not able to handle an objection, there is of course another partner who is able to answer the person who has raised an objection. Now it becomes more like a teamwork and it acts as a team. But suddenly, if you are doing everything alone, you have an objection, you are unable to answer. So somewhere the failures are being showcased in front of an audience.
Right.
So I think now you should plan
Yesterday,
for.
in fact, yesterday also I added up one thing to just to add here that sometime back my wife is a company secretary. She's an individual practitioner, but she has always had an opinion that whenever you have to be a self-employed professional. Better you get experience with someone who is already practicing in this field. But now today I can say that I have something to contradict to her that now I'm not alone in this field. When I start the practice, I have a rich experience with of my team, the Coach Blue Ocean team, wherein I can always go back, fall back on my team, wherein I can discuss the doubts and come with the best solution. So this is a great
So I think
opportunity.
this is rather opportunity for all the members of our CFP as practitioners club. So we have more than 150 members, out of which we are now active 10 members. So again, if in different areas, all of them at least out of 150, 50 gets activated, it would be a huge big way. You will get a team of people to work with. The areas that you have not worked will be done by the other team members, and finally it would add a value, because when you don't do it because you don't know particular things, it does not add any money to your account.
Right.
But when you know something and you have another person who knows the part of the thing, still you get some 50-60% of what is supposed really going to some other kind of group people.
Somewhere we might
Yes,
lack
yes.
when
So
the
this
other
is more
people
like
can
an
pitch in.
business collaborations and opportunities.
Yes.
So we look forward that you would plan some
Yes.
events wherein you would be the person who take a lead, and we
Definitely.
would be the people who would support you
Definitely.
to make this a better one.
Okay, thank you, Amayji, for participating in the 3 full day classroom workshop. Amayji completed in 2015, and when he wanted to part of the Coach Blue Ocean team, so we suggested him because he was working or he is working into technical line, so definitely could not got opportunity to practice or keep in touch with the CFP certification core knowledge. So we suggested if you want to planning to become a part of Coach Blue Ocean team, it is better you basically attend the refresher training. So he attended the video lectures of retirement coach, okay, which is a refresher course for the CFP practitioner, and then we suggested to attend the classroom. So I am sure that it help you to refresh yourself and
Yes.
it give confidence to prepare a comprehensive financial plan for your clients. So now, as you are thinking to quit your job. So have you put any deadline for that? Which is the last date, or which is the first day to start your independent practice?
Okay, so yeah, there is a plan in place. I look forward to quit in month of May, April to May, the
Which
mid of
year?
that. This year,
This year. Okay.
definitely. And after which, within a 2-3 months gap. But basically, it happened to be that as I've done the refresher module, the latest, got a good insight today in these 3 days. So though I put a deadline to it or a start line to it, it doesn't mean because
The
start
second
time
inning said
starts tomorrow, right?
Yes, why?
So even I will start interacting with people
Yes,
at least
yes,
to
you can-
let them know about how we
Definitely,
can go.
that I agree, because but we firmly believe that a person is working, example, 5 days a week, okay, then definitely you have a less time. But if one is committed, yes, I have already planned for my second career.
Yeah.
I have, because he completed 2000 CAP in 2015, he used thoroughly CAP learning for own personal benefit, and you
That
have,
is where I've reached now.
Yes. Now you have acquired the sufficient corpus, okay, and you know that this corpus will take care and giving you basically cushion to start your second career. So definitely, then one should not.
Delay the process.
Even it was I shared same thing with the
Right.
Ankit also.
Right.
Yeah,
That's
so
how.
rather I would say
Huh.
on 19th of Feb, I surpassed the income that I had earned in the last financial year being working with
Perfect,
Majesco rather.
perfect.
So I think this 1 month or 40 days would be a bonus to me rather.
So message is clear. Yes, if we have a
Clear.
well planned we done the activity, yani ki yes ke I have finance in place, my thought process is clear, and I am ready for the second profession. Both
Right.
must be required. No, one
Both
is
must be required.
I have a backup plan in finance. Yes, I have a second. I am ready to deliver a qualitative for the second career and get expert in the personal finance. So yes, okay. So in that condition, when you start as soon as possible, so automatically it will give you a more advantage. So now definitely Amit said he can start from tomorrow. So when we upload the video, maybe by end of the February, okay, so I request you can have a meeting with Amayji, so he'll prepare your comprehensive financial. He's a CFP practitioner, so he'll charge minimum 10,000 plus for preparing a comprehensive financial plan, okay. And in case we want to prepare, he's a part of the Coach Blue Ocean team, so if you want to prepare with help of team of Coach Blue Ocean team, then fee will be starting from 30,000 plus. Even if you are looking to learn the personal finance, okay, you can even contact to him. He will be your co-mentor and you will be part of the CBOT training program, double shot program. So I am looking forward. Yes, let start pushing the investor coaching or maybe CFP aspirant coaching. Anyone who is planning to, anyone whom you are meeting, you can either discuss, either you have two options with me, either you can become an investor and I will give you a coaching for your own financial planning, or if you really interested to learn the personal finance and be part-time or full-time in this personal finance profession, certified financial planner, you can join for your complete package and I will be your co-mentor. So I am sure that we can have a long relationships together. Yes, Amayji.
One more thing I would like to add, the place in which I am rightly now, that 2 months down the line I plan to retire. One thing I would like to add, that we have been hearing all about the job losses that are being happening all over within India. So I understand that everyone from this place doing such a course is always helpful, because though you don't see professionally pursuing this as a second career, but it helps you in your own personal finances, and always this is a backup plan. So whosoever has been in the IT
like
field,
first you become a good investor and then you become a good advisor, because
Right.
then you have 100% skin in the game,
Right.
and you just help people copying your
Right.
success.
But the people who have recently had the job losses, that they know that since tomorrow they don't have to come to office, so that is a great setback for them. But if they have already done such a thing, they've already put the finances in place, also they have some fallback mechanism. So this is always a win-win game. So they should look at
It
this
is
as a
jumping from the high-rise building, but ending up in a bungee jumping where you don't get hurt and enjoy a bigger jump.
So, but problem in our country is that ki this is the wellness planning. So you have to go and educate them. Please
Right.
understand ki if we say that ki any advertisement of term plan on a television or on a internet, it may not, definitely it can create a awareness, but it cannot be do a conversion.
right.
Because one cannot, I can say 99 out of 100 or 90 out of 100, someone planner has to push, calculate the inflation adjusted corpus and suggest, yes, this is the term plan you required, why, okay, how, etc. So same time, you are a professional in age of 35 plus group, so there are many of your friends, colleagues, senior colleagues, those who might be facing the same situation but they don't know.
Right.
So when you start interacting with them and educating, even if you don't want to take it as a part of second career planning, no problem, but you can prepare your personal financial plan with
Personal
help of
plan,
us.
yeah.
Okay,
Perfect.
and once financial plan is prepared, automatically vice person gets the idea कि मैं नहीं बन सकता हूँ, आप ऐसा बन सकते, you upgrade to a CFP course. Okay, so
Perfect.
thank you very much and looking forward your looking forward long partnership with you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.